Right, all here is yet another. I believe this would be my fourth one. This one's in the worst physical shape of them all, even though, believe it or not, it still has the door, which is the only one that has out yet. Basic control panel, slumber speed, open, close. Thermostat. It's a little bit beat. I got this equipment here on top of it. Let me try to move that for you so you can check out under it. I'll slide the whole piece out then so you can really get a good look at it. Oh, that is broken. Alright, well, enough dicking around with it. Let's see what we got. Wow, that actually works yet. Got leaves in there. It's quiet on high. Quiet on normal. Really quiet on low. With the compressor kicked in. It is pretty beat. I got it out of the back of somebody's pickup truck. He was going to scrap it. Gave him, I want to say $25 for it. He said he was going to get about 20 and scrap it, so I'll give you 25. I figured this unit works. I have one of those older ones that don't. The one I couldn't get, the one the compressor runs, but the cooling system, I guess it's out of charge. I can just put this one into the case of that, and then just part the other one out or whatever. It's cold. Compressor don't really sound that good. Side panels are still in good shape yet. It's getting a little cooler. That works. She runs. Wonder why the compressor sounds like that though. Could just be freaking vibrations. Still vibrating quite a bit. Some warm air coming out of there. I think what I'm going to do with this one is take the door off the light colored one. Put it on that, take this unit out of it, and drop it in the other case. Then I'll have a unit I can part out because the cooling system don't work on the other one at all. I mean, the compressor kicks on, but it must be out of fluid because I don't get much cold air out of it. You can refer to the other video. I believe that one was a 10,000 BTU. Get this off Norwegian Street in downtown Pottsville. It's right there. And of course the GE badge has probably been long gone. Yeah, let me know what you think. Any comments or questions, feel free to post a comment.